Believe me, it's probably for our well-being that this is going on. Because let's try to
just wait another few minutes.
that's
Pay no attention to
need
the
that
alarm.
right there. Oh my God.
No need to come over.
In fact, don't.
This is what Todd told me. Todd told me the thing that he's got a guy working a show for him this weekend. I forget what his name is. His name is something like Kai Earth Mother or something.
Hi, Earth Song.
Earth Song. So, Todd, are you on the phone still?
I think he's going to call back.
Okay. Just tell him what you told Kai.
I told him that if he had a problem, he could call me, but before he trusted what I said, he had to judge if I was lucid or not.
I like that. Sort of planning ahead. That is a fantastic thing,